welcome to a brand new Around the Year tutorial. Easter is coming up soon, so in this video I'll show you how to fold this cute little origami bunny. Origami is a Japanese art of folding paper without using glue or scissors, so all you'll need for this project will be a 15 by 15 centimeter square of paper and your hands. If you're wondering where to get origami paper, check out the link in the description below. But now let's get started. First of all, we're going to fold our paper in half. Unfold it again and fold the sides to the middle, lining up the edges with the crease we've just made. Rotate the paper 180 degrees and do the same thing here. Again, we'll unfold the paper, rotate it 90 degrees and fold the bottom edge up so it lines up with the top edge of our paper. Crease it down and open it up again. Now we'll fold the bottom edge to the middle crease we've just made. And once again, we'll open it up. Now we'll fold both bottom corners to the center. And unfold them again. Next we'll fold the paper crosswise diagonally, so we'll line up this corner with the corner up there. Bringing the paper back into its former position, we're going to fold the edges back to the middle crease. Using this little crease here, we're going to fold up the top layer and press it flat. We'll do the same thing on the other side, like this. We should get two triangles whose edges line up with the diagonal creases there. Next, we'll flip this part of the paper over like this, turn the paper around again, and fold these edges to the middle. Done that, turn the paper over and fold this diamond-shaped bit down, like this. Next, we'll fold part of this corner down. Once again, we'll turn the paper over and then fold it in half. Like this. Next, take the bunny by its ears and pull them up. And you can already see the rabbit head forming here. Moving on to the next step, we're going to fold this part of the bunny forwards, like this. A bit diagonally, as you can see, and then unfold again. Open the bunny up and fold this part in, using the creases we've made. Opening up the bunny once again, we're going to fold this edge down there. And of course, we'll do the same thing on the other side. And then we'll fold the bunny together again. Now fold this corner to the back to give the bunny a softer shape. Then fold down the ears by the existing creases. Let them come up again, and using your finger, poke them open like that. If you like, you can finish the bunny off by drawing eyes or a nose, but this step is optional. And now our Origami Easter Bunny is finished. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to leave a like and a comment below. And if you want to see more around the tutorials, don't forget to subscribe as well. See you next time. Bye bye.